What if an ordinary peacock egg was actually the beginning of one of nature's most incredible transformations, and every critical moment of that transformation was being protected by intelligent machines? Welcome inside one of the most advanced automated peacock egg hatching facilities, where precision technology and careful human supervision work together to turn fragile eggs into healthy young birds. The story begins when freshly collected peacock eggs arrive at the facility. They may look almost identical from the outside, but technicians know that every egg can be completely different on the inside. Before anything else happens, each egg is carefully inspected for cracks, shell damage, unusual shape, contamination, and other visible defects. Advanced inspection equipment helps identify problems quickly, while trained technicians examine selected eggs more closely. Only suitable eggs are allowed to continue. After inspection, the eggs are gently prepared for incubation. Automated handling systems move them into specially designed trays, minimizing unnecessary movement and impact. From this moment onward, the environment surrounding the eggs becomes extremely important. Inside the incubation chambers, computers continuously control temperature, humidity, and airflow. These aren't ordinary storage rooms. They are carefully regulated environments designed to provide stable conditions throughout development. Sensors constantly measure the atmosphere, while automated climate systems make precise adjustments whenever conditions begin to change. But one of the most fascinating parts of the process is hidden inside the incubator. The eggs don't simply sit there. Automated turning mechanisms gently rotate them at programmed intervals. This movement is carefully controlled because the developing embryo needs proper positioning during incubation. Instead of relying entirely on manual labor, the facility allows machines to perform thousands of consistent movements with. While the machines work outside the shells, something extraordinary is happening inside them. The embryo is developing day by day. Tiny biological structures begin forming. Blood vessels spread through the developing system. Organs gradually take shape. The embryo grows stronger and more recognizable, even though almost nothing can be seen from the outside. This is where monitoring becomes essential. Technicians can use specialized inspection methods such as candling to examine developing eggs at selected stages. Under controlled lighting, internal structures and developing blood vessels can become visible through the shell. This allows trained staff to identify eggs that are developing normally and separate those requiring additional attention. Meanwhile, the automated system continues working around the clock. Temperature sensors keep measuring the incubation environment. Humidity controls maintain the required moisture conditions. Airflow systems circulate the environment evenly. Automated turning equipment follows its programmed schedule. Monitoring systems watch for unusual changes and can alert technicians when something needs attention. And then the quietest part of the process becomes the most exciting. The incubation period approaches its final stage. The eggs are moved into specialized hatching conditions. Automated turning gradually stops according to the incubation schedule, and the environment is adjusted to support the final stage of development. Inside the shell, the chick is almost ready. Then comes the first sign. A tiny crack appears. At first, it may be barely visible. Then another crack forms. The shell begins to change. Inside is a fully developed peacock chick preparing for its first appearance in the outside world. Using its temporary egg tooth, the chick slowly breaks through the shell. It is not a quick process. The chick may push, rest, move again, and continue working for hours. Every tiny movement brings it closer to freedom. Technicians carefully monitor the hatching chambers, but the goal is to allow the natural process to happen whenever possible. The machines provide a stable environment while trained staff remain ready to respond if a genuine problem occurs. Then suddenly, the shell opens. A tiny peacock chick emerges. Its feathers are wet. Its body is exhausted. It may remain still for a moment as it recovers from the effort of breaking through its shell. But this is only the beginning. The newly hatched chick is gently transferred to a controlled brooding environment. Here, warmth, cleanliness, ventilation, and careful observation become the priorities. The young bird begins drying, gaining strength, and adjusting to its new surroundings. Technicians monitor the chicks closely during these early stages. Their activity, physical condition, feeding behavior, and development are observed regularly. Any chick requiring additional attention can receive specialized care. Meanwhile, the facility continues preparing the next group of eggs. This creates a remarkable cycle. While one group of chicks is growing stronger, another group of eggs is developing inside the incubators. Automated systems continue operating day and night, creating a carefully organized rhythm between incubation, hatching, brooding, cleaning, inspection, and animal care. But despite all the technology, one thing remains impossible to automate completely. Judgment. Machines can measure temperature. They can control humidity. They can rotate eggs and monitor equipment. But experienced technicians are still essential for understanding what those measurements actually mean. They know when an egg needs closer inspection. They know when a chick appears weak. They know when a machine is operating normally and when something unusual requires immediate attention. That combination of advanced automation and experienced human care is what makes the facility truly remarkable. Because this isn't simply an egg processing system. It is a carefully controlled environment supporting one of nature's most delicate transformations. An egg enters as something that appears completely ordinary. Days later, a living peacock chick emerges. And between those two moments is a world of engineering, biology, patience, monitoring, and human responsibility. The most fascinating part is that almost the entire transformation happens where nobody can see it. Beneath a hard shell, a new life is quietly developing. The machines cannot replace that natural process. They can only create the conditions that support it. And perhaps that is the real lesson behind this incredible facility: the best technology doesn't always try to overpower nature. Sometimes, it simply gives nature the protection, stability, and precision it needs to succeed. If you enjoyed seeing how advanced technology supports this incredible transformation, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Factory Insider TV for more fascinating factory and production documentaries. And now I want to hear from you. What surprised you the most about the peacock egg hatching process, the automated incubation system, the inspection technology, or the moment the chick finally breaks through the shell? Share your answer in the comments. Your comments help us decide which fascinating factory processes we explore next. If you found this documentary interesting, like it, share it with someone who loves incredible technology and behind-the-scenes processes, and subscribe to Factory Insider TV. Until the next adventure, keep discovering what happens behind the machines.